woman from the and started the most famous war in history. You may have heard of the valiant struggle that took place beneath the Golden Wall of Troy. 10,000 men, the best gods and dreams of glory could have sacrificed, all led by Agamemnon, the mightiest of the Greeks, and Achilles who can strike down 10 warriors in one blow. You may have heard of Paris, who they say betrayed his country and crowned for love. But that is not the way it happened. Let me tell you the real story. Kill him! Kill him!
You said kill him. Before any of you knew that it was a boy, Cassandra, have you just had one of your visions?
It's a boy, right? It's a boy. Ryan, come see your son.
No, Cassandra, I know that you think and I know that people don't believe you. I do you. You saw that it was a boy, right? What else did you say? What else?
Troy will burn.
Take my son to the mountain.
No.
Throw him. I can speak.
No, I said no.
Dad, go your way. Do it now.
No, please, my son, no.
Why was it? Hey, what is my child? Because your duty. Never mind when you shall be loved. You know, you para
Years passed.
Paris, where are you? Come, time to eat.
I will fight you.
Hey, don't that you got what's your God that will ask you come. No.
What? What? What's my hurt? Stubborn!
Terus ngerombak.
The most beautiful woman.
I did.